Good morning, Miss Bhavani.
Hi, Dyuti.
Hi.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Miss Shweta.
Good morning, Miss Sajid.
Good morning. Is it Margot? Where is Margot? Hi, Luke. Good morning, Luke.
You're not home.
Hi. You have a mango.
We are making ice pop.
You're going to make ice popsicles?
With
That
that?
is so exciting.
Me too.
Yes.
I have ice popsicle,
Oh.
so I can do that.
Mango pop.
Mango popsicles. That is amazing.
I want to do that too.
I love that idea.
I want to do
We
that.
can do that.
I want to do that with my dad.
With your dad? Okay.
And
Okay, definitely. Yay! Hi, Miss Preeti.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hello, Miss Preeti.
Hello, Dyuti. How are you? Good morning.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
We are expecting some more to join. We can start with the hello song while we wait. Okay?
Can you move?
Yeah. Let's start with the hello song. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you clap your hands? Isabel, can you clap your hands?
Is that not rude?
Yeah. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Can you tap your head?
1, 2, 3.
Can you touch your toe?
1, 2, 3.
Can you turn around? Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Hello, hello. Can you stomp your feet? Can you stomp your
1, 2,
feet?
3.
1, 2, 3.
Hello,
hello.
Like
Can
a
you
penguin.
Can you stomp your feet?
1, 2, 3. Like a penguin.
Can you tap your head?
1, 2, 3.
Can you touch your toe?
1, 2, 3.
Can you turn around? Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Yay, Isabel. Hello. Good job, everybody. That's very nice.
Mommy, look at this. Can you
Yeah.
do that?
Okay, great. Now we are going to do mango food tasting. I'm so glad that Luke and Margot are getting to make mango popsicles. That's very exciting.
I'm so excited
Do come here. We will first.
I'm so excited too.
You are excited to taste the mango too, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's begin by sharing my PDF. Okay. Here.
Mango food tasting.
Mango food tasting.
That is like our
Yeah.
words.
Okay.
That looks
Friends,
like that.
mango comes in different colors, right? The mango that I have,
It's
what
just-
color is this? Wait, what color is this? Luke, I'm going to unmute you. You or Margot can tell, if you can tell me what color is the mango that I have, it would be great. Can you unmute yourself?
It's just red and yellow.
It's red and yellow. It's mostly yellow. Yeah, some mangoes are red. Thank you, Luke. Some mangoes are yellow and some mangoes are green.
Just
Right?
yellow.
Yeah, this is mostly yellow. So, I have another question. Here, I have a picture of some mangoes that are green, some mangoes that are red, and some mangoes that are yellow. Okay?
Green.
So, and then we need to talk about what is inside a mango. Do you think there will be many seeds or there will be one large pit?
I don't know.
Isabel, do you have an answer for this?
I don't know.
Dyuti doesn't know. So she wants to know if there will be one large pit or many seeds. Does anybody
Yes.
have an answer for
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Luke has an answer. Isabel, do you want to answer?
No.
I am going to unmute. I tried unmuting you, both of you. Luke, can you unmute yourself? Sorry, I think I muted you again. Can you unmute? Yeah. Luke, do you think there will be many seeds or there will be one large pit?
Big seed.
One big seed.
Yes.
Okay. One big seed is typically called a pit. Thank you, Luke. There will be one large seed.
Okay, Luke.
I cut a mango 2 days back, and you can have a look at the pit. See, this is a pit. This is going to be inside a mango. Do you see this? This is one large pit.
Wow. It looks like a raindrop.
Isabel, do you see it?
It looks like a raindrop.
Yeah, this is one large pit.
This looks like a raindrop and that looks like
Yeah.
a raindrop.
Let's cut the fruit and let's taste it. If you have mango with you, you may taste it as well.
Or do ice popsicle or anything.
Yeah. I'm going to cut.
I think in this seed doesn't be there.
Wow, it's yellow inside too. It's yellow outside and yellow inside.
That's so cool.
Yeah,
E ela tem manga.
it's yellow. I think it will be very sweet.
Árvore,
Wait.
ela faz flores, as
Yeah.
flores viram
Do
frutos.
you see, Dew? It's very yellow inside. It's a nice yellow. I like this yellow.
Parte
I
da
like the
semente,
yellow.
coloca na terra, rega com água, aí ela nasce outra árvore.
Yellow. It's yellow.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Dew, we have cut a few pieces here. Are you able to see it, friends?
Olha as
Yeah.
unhas também.
Duty is going to taste it and tell me if it is really sweet. Okay, Dew, it's your turn to taste the fruit. Mm-hmm. It's good? Is it sweet? It's really sweet? Do you like it?
Yeah.
She likes the taste of the mango. Maybe I'm going to try a piece too. Can I try a piece?
Yeah.
Mmm.
So
It's
good.
really sweet. I hope Luke is trying a piece of mango too. And Isabel is getting to try a piece of mango.
Yummy, yum.
Isabel, are you eating mango? Do you have mango with you?
We do not, unfortunately.
It's all right. It's all right. When mommy goes to the grocery store, she'll get you mango and you can try it, okay? And tell mommy if you like it. It's all right, my friend. What are you drinking? Are you drinking something? What are you drinking? Is it milk? Nuna. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Good job.
I'm so proud of her.
Oh, sweet. Luke, did you try mango? Did you try a piece of mango?
Yes, he did.
He did. Did you like it, Luke? Yeah, you liked it? I'm so glad. Is Margot around too? Where is Margot?
With Poppy at the table. You want to come over and say hello?
It's all right. It's all right. I think she's busy doing the. She's excited to do the popsicle. It's okay. I'm glad that you are doing it. I'm very happy, Luke. Okay, once you finish the popsicle, if you can send us pictures, we'll be happy to see them. Okay.
Yeah.
Ask Granny or Mommy to take some pictures and send it to us. We'll be happy to see it. Okay, so friends, the mango tree, this is how a mango tree grows. There is a large pit. When you put this in the ground and you water them, it starts to germinate, and the sprout comes, the seedling comes, the small mango plant comes, and then it grows into a big tree. When I was a child, I had a big mango tree in my house, a big mango tree there, with lots of mangoes. We used to share the mangoes with everybody in the community. We had lots of mangoes. Okay, when I was in India,
Raji,
yes,
in India we have a mango tree.
you have a mango tree at your house too. That's great. Yeah.
In India,
In
but it is only all three of the colors are on my mangoes.
Yeah, first it comes green, right? Then slowly it turns yellow and then red. It becomes red, right? Yeah.
Red is the good color for eating.
Exactly. Very smart. I like that. When mango turns red, it will be very sweet and it will be very tasty to eat. I am glad you tried it. You gave that answer, Isaac. I am glad. Duty is busy eating.
Long time ago, when
Mhm.
I was still 3, we still ate mangoes.
Okay. I love to eat mangoes anytime, right? During summer, I was so excited. When I was a child, my grandpa used to bring somebody to pick the mangoes, and I was so excited to collect them in a basket and share it with everybody because we had so many mangoes. So, yeah, it's nostalgic to think about it. Okay, so friends, so that was a life cycle of a mango. So now, yeah. What can we make with mangoes? Come here, Dio. We can make mango jam. We can make mango milkshake. We can make mango lassi. In India, they make mango yogurt, which is called mango lassi. It is very famous. When you go to Indian restaurant, you should try drinking mango lassi. In India, in a state called Punjab, they make mango lassi. Okay, and it is very famous.
I love that.
Duty loves mango
Miss
lassi.
Raji, we have mango jelly.
You have mango jelly. Yeah, I see that. That's great, Preeti. That's great, Isaac. How does it taste, Isaac? Do you like the taste of mango jelly? Nice. I'm glad. We have to try it sometime.
Yeah, we had that last time.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
When spreading bread.
Okay. Thank you, guys. So you can make mango jelly, you can make mango jam, you can make mango milkshake, you
And
can
ice
make mango lassi and ice cream. Wait, I have a picture of ice cream too. Here. Yeah. So you can make mango ice cream. Friends, do you
Mango cake.
and mango cake. So we made mango milkshake, okay, and mango ice cream. We got it from the store. So here, Duty is going to taste mango, and you can make mango popsicles like Luke is making. Duty is going to try mango ice cream and tell us if she like it. Come here, come closer, Duty. You're not in the camera. So here. Can you try the mango ice cream and tell us if you like it?
It's lovely.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, she loves it. Friends, try this mango ice cream. This is very yummy. I got it from the Indian store.
No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here, now this is mango milkshake which Ms. Raji made. Duty is going to try it and tell me if she likes it. Here.
It's lovely.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
She likes it too. So friends, you can make many dishes with mango. You can make lot of desserts with mango. So here is a picture of kids eating mango. Look at that. They are having so much fun eating mangoes. Mango is a lovely fruit. And
Yeah.
it gives you it has lot of health benefits. Okay. So especially during summer, You get good, tasty mangoes. Try them and tell us if you like it.
And in India, they eat ice popsicle with mango.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. Not only